I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we are taking Word 2A and 2B simulation exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. If you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for you with A+ grade. And if you do not able to do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete course for you with A+ grade. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. Insert a 2-column 6-row table into the document. Okay, in this question we will insert a 2-column 6-row table into the document. Basically in this question we will insert a table for 2-column and 6-row. Simply click on click on insert tab and then click on table. Okay, we will select 2 columns and 6 rows. 2 columns and 6 rows. 2 column and 6 rows table. Okay, question is completed now. Now in the first cell of the first row, tap carrier's objective and press down arrow. In the first cell of the first row, okay, we will click on the first cell of the first row and then we will tap carrier's objective and then press down arrow. Okay, we will tap carrier, C-A-R-W or carrier objective. We will tap carrier objective and then press down arrow. Okay, carrier objective. Okay, sorry, I missed E. Okay, now in the first cell of the second row, tap clinical experience and then press tab. In the first cell of the second row, we will tap clinical experience, E-X-P-E-R-I-E-N-C, experience, and then press tab, okay, clinical experience and then press tab. Question is completed now. Click the place the insertion point in the second cell in the second column and then insert the text to the file 2A jobs in the document folder. You can read this question. Click the place the insertion point in the second cell in the second column. Okay, click the place the insertion point, click on insert tab, simply text from file. Okay, we will insert this file 2A jobs in the document folder. Okay, you can insert this file where you saved in your folder. Now I am inserting this file 2A jobs file and then click on insert tab. Okay, press backspace one time to remove the blank line at the end of the inserted text. Okay, press backspace. Okay, question is completed now. In the second row of the table, format the paragraph beginning with the text monitor and treat and ending with the text and sessions promoting wellness to be bulleted list with default round bullets. Okay, you can read this. In the second row of the table, format the paragraph beginning with the text monitor and treat and ending with the text and session promoting wellness. Okay, in the second row of the table, format the paragraph to be bulleted list with default round bullets. Okay, ending with the session promoting wellness. 2b, bulleted list with default bullet round bullets. Okay, here is promoting wellness. Here is, you can see, prepare and okay, here is ending with promoting wellness. You can select this paragraph ending with promoting wellness. Default round bullets. Okay, go to the home tab, go to the bullets, and then we will apply default round bullets in the paragraph group. Go to the bullets and then apply default round bullets. Okay, this is good. Now I have done this question. Now next question is that display the layout tab. Okay, click on layout tab, click the first cell of the table. Okay, now we will click the first cell of the table and click and drag the right boundaries of the first column to the 2 inches mark on the horizontal ruler. Okay, 2 inches to the horizontal ruler. Now using the table column width box, adjust the width of the first column to 1.75 inches. Okay, using the table column width box, adjust the width of the first column to 1.75 inches. Okay, we will adjust the width of this first column 1.75 inches. Okay, auto fit to the table, auto fit the table to the window. Click on auto fit window. You can see here auto fit the table, the window. We will simply go to the auto fit tab and then click on auto fit window. Okay, in the cell size group. Question is completed now. By using one click row column insertion, add a new row above the row containing clinical experience. By using one click row, okay, question is good now. Add a row above the first row of the table. Now we will insert a new row above the first row of the table. Okay, add a row above the first row of the table. Basically in this question we will insert a new row above the table, first row of the table. Click on insert above. Okay, it's good now. Merge all cells in the first row of the table. We will merge all cells in the first row of the table. Click on first row and then simply click on merge cells. Question is completed now. In the first row, in the first row of the table, select the name Sarah Sarah Boncristiano, or and apply bold formatting to the selected text and change the font size to 16 point. In the first row of the table, select the name Sarah Boncristiano. Okay, apply bold formatting text and change the font size to 16 point. We will select this text and then go to the home tab and then simply apply bold and then go to the font size and then apply 16 point font size on this text. Okay, in the first line of the text in the first row, change the spacing after to 6 point. In the first line of the text in the first row, change the spacing after to 6 point. Simply go to the paragraph group and then here is after 6 point. Okay, question is completed now. I have done 9 questions of this exam right now. Moving on next question. Remove all boundaries from the table. Now we will remove all boundaries from this table. Okay, we will remove all boundaries from the table. Go to the home type and then go to the paragraph group and then remove all boundary from the table. With the entire table selected, apply a box border to the table using double line style, 7 style. Okay, with the entire table selected, apply a box border to the table using the double line style. Go to the paragraph group, and then we will go to the style, and then we will apply the style, border and shading. We will go to the border and shading, and then table using double line style. Apply using the double line style, then click on OK. Question is completed now. In the first row of the table, click anywhere in the text Sarah. Okay, you can select this text or an OK, and from the layout tab, question is completed now. Sorry, my connection is poor now, that's why taking my time. As the first paragraph, type Sarah Butler Oren and then press enter. Okay, as the first paragraph, type Sarah Butler Oren. Okay, and then press enter, and then press enter. Then type 467 Terrace, Stamford, CT 06906. Okay, Terrace, Stamford, STM40, Stamford, CT 0906906, 06906, and then insert a manual line break. Okay, go to the page setup and then click on the breaks, and then insert a manual. Now tab 203 55-695 4 Svelter @alcona.net, and then press enter. Hold down shift and then press enter. Okay, Svelter @alcona.net, and then press enter. Okay, apply bold to the text Sarah Butler Oren. We will select this text Sarah Butler Oren, and then go to the home tab and then simply apply bold on this text. Okay, select the two lines that from the second paragraph and then apply bold. Okay, we will select this two line and then go to the home tab, and then we will apply bold on this two line. Select the text Sarah Butler Oren and then change the font size to 16. First we will select this text simply Sarah Butler Oren, and then go to the home tab. In the font group we will apply 16-point font size on this text. Okay, question is good now. Select the two lines that from the second paragraph and then change the font size to 12 point. Now we will select this two line. Okay, we will select these two lines and then go to the home tab. In the font group we will apply 12 font size on these two lines. Oh sorry, 1 second, we will select for these two lines. Go to the font group, apply 19 font size. To the two lines paragraph that contain the home address and then telephone number and then email address, apply right align. Okay, we will select these two lines and then we will apply right align. Okay, question is completed now. You can see I have done 13 questions of this exam. For remaining question, and if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, and many more online courses. I am also handling many students courses on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will help you in your futures. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel, and if you want to do for complete course, you will hire me for this course. I will give you very reasonable price. I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignments, all simulation and all simulation exam, and midterm and final exam. Please contact me for your complete course deal, or if you want to do for any assignments, I will provide you A+ grade in your all assignments. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.